Many homes have a natural ticking time bomb that can damage their home's foundation. Stay tuned to hear more about the effects of the clay bowl effect. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Sometimes it's the unseen that can do the most damage. Next to your home could be a foundation damage waiting to happen. In this video, I'll explain what the clay bowl effect is, what it can do to your home, and how you can prevent the damage. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. The clay bowl effect is a concept that when your home is built, it's being built in what we call organic soils. So we disrupt those soils to dig the hole for your foundation, basement, or crawl space in order to build the home. Now that hole is bigger than your actual home's footprint, so when we backfill, we now have disturbed soil around your foundation that can hold water more effectively than the virgin soil that's outside that bowl effect. When water is allowed to sit around your home, it does a couple different things. Number one, it can weaken the soil underneath your foundation, therefore leading to settlement. The other big one is allowing water into your home, your crawl space, or your basement. When water sits around that foundation, over time it'll build up pressure and find a way into your home. The biggest thing is making sure that you get water away from that area of the weakened soil. So downspout extensions, clean gutters, and grate around your home to be sure that it's a minimum at 10 foot away before that water stands so that it's not standing right next to your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about how the clay bowl effect is impacting your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.